Hey everybody, welcome back to Runaway Roads. Today, we're out checking out some new Bigfoot truck campers.
Yep, we are Southland in Norcross, Georgia. We love coming here to look at new campers, and they have a huge variety.
Yeah, they've got a lot of awesome campers here, but today we're going to check out some Bigfoot truck campers. It's going to be fun. Stick around. Alright, we're going to check out a 2026 Bigfoot 9.6. It's a 2500 series truck camper, so looking forward to that. Very cool camper. They also have a 1500 series 8.2 model that we're hoping to check out as well. I think it's somewhere around
We've never seen one of those.
Yeah, somewhere around here on the parking lot, so looking forward to checking that out if we can get to it. But let's check out the 9.6. Very good looking camper. I do like the new graphics they have on there. This is a long bed version, I believe. Here's the information there. So if you want to inquire about more information about this truck camper, you can. The new ones have these new graphics with the trees in them. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but this particular model does not have the swing out bracket, so it'd have to go on a single rear wheel truck, or you could add the swing out brackets, and that way you can get it on a dually.
Actually, the next here says it's for a short bed, but we need to confirm that.
Oh, is it for a short bed?
It says right there.
Okay, 9.6. Looks like it'd be for a long bed, but yeah, maybe it is a short bed, I guess. It is what it is, I guess, short bed. So again, you can find out some more information about that, just to confirm. We're just taking a quick look at it. We don't know everything about these campers. We're just...
Shower, sewer hose.
Yeah, down here is the dump valve. I don't know if you can see that or not. Sorry for all the road noise, but it's loud here next to the highway. There's the back. Got a powered rear awning. Got a big landing platform on the back. Come over here to the driver's side. Got a manual awning, or not driver's side, on the passenger side. Got a manual awning over here. It has I'm not sure if there's a generator in here. I don't think there is because it's blocked off right there. It's probably just for storage right now. Again, it's locked, so we can't confirm that. It has 2 propane tanks, 20-pound propane tanks. Got a power outlet, and down here is the battery compartment. And that's about it there. Looks like maybe the water fill right there. Maybe you can see the new graphics there. Yeah, we're gonna go on in, but first we're gonna check out the weight here. According to the sticker, it says it weighs 3153. So that's not too bad. It does have a storage area in the basement, but there's a lock down there, so we don't have the key. Sorry about that, we cannot open that up at the moment. Step up in here.
First thing I notice when I walk in is the standard laminate countertops.
Yeah, they only offer one laminate for the countertops.
They're very durable.
Yeah, it's a good
One really
countertop.
cool thing about this has the diamond tuck. I like that.
Yeah, it's
Diamond
nice.
tuck.
I mean, the fabric with the diamond tuck, it's very cool looking.
It's got the secret compartment here under there.
It's a little hidden storage area under the table. So for a non-slide truck camper, it's a nice layout there, having the dinette up against the bed area, so it kind of makes it feel a little roomier. It does have a queen size bed. It's an RV queen bed, so it is a little bit shorter. I think it's like 74 inches versus 80-inch residential bed, but it has a wardrobe there on the side, some storage
On each side of the bed.
on each side, and TV mount. fan up above.
We love the Bigfoots.
Yeah, Bigfoot does make a fantastic camper, quality-wise.
The quality of these
It's tough to beat, that's for sure. It's a good 4-season camper. This is a 2500 series, which is the 4-season. It does have a refrigerator. We'll check that out here in a moment. So nice and roomy. It does have an oven with the gas burner cooktop on it. And there's a microwave up here. And then storage up there. You get quite a bit of countertop space there, so that's nice. Double bowl sink. And you get some 3 drawers down there. There's the generator button there. So I think it has the generator prep package. So I don't know if it has a generator or not. There's storage underneath there.
One thing about these new Bigfoots that I really, really love are these NCD shades.
Yeah, they're nice.
We had these in our Lance 975 that was brand new, and we love these shades.
Yeah, got the blackout shade.
The blackout shades.
Makes a big difference.
The new Bigfoots come with these in them. Ours didn't, but the newer ones do.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Coleman Mach air conditioner up there. Wardrobe there. Can hang stuff up. Good size refrigerator.
It's a huge refrigerator.
Yeah, it's big.
It's on.
Looks like a big freezer too. If I can. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's a deep freezer. Wow.
Feels like it's on.
I don't know. And then this 9.6 does have a wet bath, so it's snug, but it's got everything you need. It's a molded fiberglass wet bath. It's got the fan in there. It's got the little medicine cabinet, and I'll stand in there. Let Carla film me here for a moment. Stepping into the wet bath. I can stand up. It's the fan gives me just a little bit extra height. Again, I'm 6 foot. You know, I got broad shoulders.
It's got a little seat.
But I mean, it's tight, but it's doable.
Here's
the thing.
Medicine cabinet.
Got the shower, toilet. Let's sit down here. You know, the wall's kind of snug, but if you're smaller than me, which a lot of people are, it probably would be more comfortable. It does have a little seat right here, which I guess you can sit in if you want to or need to. But you know, it's full bathroom if you want a full bath.
And you want a Bigfoot.
And you want a Bigfoot. And you know, without getting the biggest Bigfoot they have, you know, it's a nice little wet bath in there. Very nice camper. It does have thermal pane windows or dual pane windows in here, and it's 4 seasons, so it's a very comfortable camper. It'll keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. If you got the AC going, it'll stay climate controlled very well. This camper does have the sea level tank monitoring system, which is fantastic. It gives you a percentage of the tank levels, and that's always an awesome thing.
You may have pointed that out.
Yeah, it does have the skylight there. You can close that off.
Yep.
Very cool.
It's a nice camper.
Love the Bigfoots. All right, Carla's going to give us the tank sizes.
So gray water 24 gallons, freshwater 50 gallons, and black water 14 gallons.
Okay, freshwater 50 gallons.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Wow, that's a lot of fresh water.
Yeah, it is.
Well, we were hoping to check out the Bigfoot 8.2 truck camper, but they already sold it, so it's a goner.
Yeah, it's gone.
So good for them, but so we're not able to show it to you, but hopefully you enjoyed checking out the Bigfoot 9.6 truck camper, because that's a really cool camper.
Yeah, it is.
And they said that they actually have another 8.2 truck camper on order, so if you are interested in that, you can contact Southland RV here. They'll be happy to help you out with that, or any of the Bigfoot truck campers for that matter.
Or Airstream, or any of these others.
Yeah, or anything I got here.
Yeah.
It's super helpful. They got some awesome campers here, so check them out. And appreciate you hanging around watching, and we'll see you next time on Runaway Roses. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.